tanyitwo kuingira thukuru cia secondary kiumia giukite. Thirikari yugite ni iharirie wega gutigirira arutwo na aciari ni magia na ihinda ihuthu githomo-ini giki. Ministry ya githomo ikiuga ni yakite laboratory 600 thukuru-ini itiganite, irathi 23,000 noho kwandika wira arimu 100,000 na warimu 24,000 makiandikwo mwaka uyu. O ministry yugite ni heanite ihinda kuri arutwo na aciari aria marenda gucenjia ciana ciao thukuru iria maretitwo cia grade 10 niguo gutigirira aciari na arutwo ni maiganira na thukuru iria macagurite.
The placements and the transition that we are doing, we are having a new system called Kenya Education Management Information System, which is helping us in the transition, and we are moving everybody. Soon and very soon, all the entire education ecosystem will be under one digital platform, so that whatever thing you need to know in education, just at the click of the button, you can know the status of the results of your student, and you can know everything going on in the education sector. We have been able to place 1.1 million learners transiting from junior school to senior school. We have given them an opportunity for the first time also to do their vast revision. For those who didn't like their pathways, we give them an opportunity. They have revised the first time, and we have given them also a second chance. If they didn't like again the first revision, we have given them a chance that is closely today. So these are record things. The system is very transparent.
The government has employed a record 100,000 teachers since 2023, with 24,000 of these teachers recruited this year. We built a record 23,000 classrooms across the country to support the transition of the first grade 9 cohort. This year, we will construct a total of 1,600 laboratories in various senior schools in order to support practical learning. We released the sum of 44.2 billion shillings as capitation for learners in all public basic education institutions ahead of school opening. This is the first time that capitation has been disbursed before schools open.